Chapter 2 of Turning Ideas into Income. Welcome back to Real Money Hidden Truth. In Chapter 1, we learned the importance of acting instead of just thinking. Now, in Chapter 2, we'll go deeper into one of the most exciting questions of all: how do you turn your ideas into real income? Jim Rohn said, ideas can be life-changing. But nothing happens until you take action. You see, everyone has ideas, but only those who act on them, who transform them into reality, get rewarded. Lesson 1. The world rewards execution, not ideas. Think about it. How many times have you heard someone say, "I had that idea years ago," when they see a successful business? The truth is, ideas are common. Execution is rare. For example, millions of people thought about creating social media platforms. But only one person acted, refined, and persisted until it became Facebook. Many thought about delivering books online. But Jeff Bezos acted, and Amazon was born. It's not the idea that makes you rich, it's the action you take on the idea. Lesson 2. Why action beats perfection. Many people wait until everything is perfect before they begin. But perfection is an illusion. Jim Rohn often taught, don't wait for all the lights to be green before you leave the house. If you wait for perfect timing, you'll never start. Instead, start small, start messy, start imperfect. You can improve as you go, but if you don't start, you'll never improve. Lesson 3. 3 steps to turn an idea into income. 1. Write it down. An idea in your head is a wish. An idea on paper becomes a plan. 2. Test it small. Don't wait to build a perfect product. Start with the smallest version. See if people respond. 3. Commit to consistency. One day of action won't change your life. Daily action will. For example, if your idea is to write a book, write 1 page today. If your idea is to start a YouTube channel, record 1 short video this week. If your idea is to save money, set aside just $1 today. Small beginnings lead to great endings. Lesson 4. The courage to fail forward. Here's the truth. You will fail at some point, and that's okay. Because every failure teaches you something that moves you closer to success. Jim Rohn believed failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. He said, failure is simply a few errors in judgment, repeated every day. And success is the opposite, a few disciplines practiced every day. So when you try your idea and it doesn't work, don't quit, learn, adjust, try again. That's how ideas grow into income. Lesson 5. The story of the 2 dreamers. Let me share a short story. 2 friends had the same idea, to start a small bakery. The first friend thought about it for months. He made business plans, compared ovens, searched for locations but never acted. The second friend, he started by baking at home and selling to neighbors. The second friend failed at first. Some cakes were too dry, some too sweet. But he kept improving. Over time, his cakes got better, customers grew, and soon, he opened his own bakery. Meanwhile, the first friend is still thinking about the perfect time. Which friend do you want to be, the thinker or the doer? Pause right now and think, what idea have you been sitting on? Write it in the comments. Then write 1 action you can take today to move it forward. And if this video is inspiring you, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to stop thinking and start acting. Closing for Chapter 2. Remember this, ideas are like seeds. But seeds don't grow just because you hold them in your hand. They grow when you plant them, water them, and care for them. Your wealth, your success, your future, they will come when you stop just thinking and start planting your ideas into the soil of action. Stay with me for Chapter 3, where we'll explore discipline, the bridge to riches. That's where we'll learn how to build the habits that transform action into lasting wealth.